Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you today how easy it is to fit our executive bin bag with the 2 tonneau bars. So they come in a storage unit like this. This is the bin bag, you receive it like this, and then your 2 tonneau bars separately from each other in their own separate packages. So you just open all of this up and then we start assembling. So I put both bars on top of the bin bag and all 4 of these buckles on each bar. So they go on each bar. There are 4 of these buckles that go around the pipe, inside the one loop, going through to the other loop, and then we just pull tight, pull it nice and tight so that it sits nicely, and then we just take this little part and just press it into the last part there. All 4 of them work exactly the same, and all 4 at the back also work exactly the same. So your 2 bars are nice and secure now and ready to put on top of your bakkie. So once you've placed the bin bag with the bars exactly where you want it in your bin, you take one bar at a time. As I showed you earlier, the ratchet is on release now. So now I can just pull it tight there, press the same button again, go to the middle and ratchet it in. Now that it's ratcheted in, press that button again, lock it completely, so now that goes nowhere. Move on to your second bar, pick it up. If it's on release, you can just pull it out. Now I press the button again, go to ratchet, I ratchet in tight, and then press the button again and lock it down. As simple as that. Now your bin bag is installed and you can load anything you want in here.